What's going on here today, Austin? Made these plates to cover where my coilovers go. We're making this right now, just a top garnish piece to direct airflow to this. Then we might get some plates that go up in here today, but all depends on what Nick wants to do.
Let's go straight to the bar, boys. Whatever I want.
Supernova, pole position?
That's pole position.
Yeah.
Okay, so today, Nick and I messed around with this panel. Come here and look at it. You gotta come see it because it was a big pain. This one for a couple hours. It's just a filler panel so air can get directed to the radiator here. Made this one and that one and these two side panels just to kind of finish it and make it look a little bit better. We had to change the what are those called? Ends or the water necks of the radiator just to fit what we have designed here. We're just gonna use some, I think those are, what size are those, Nick? 2 inch? Those are 2 inch, right? 1.5 inch, just 1.5 inch silicone hose. That's gonna go on the end of these. So yeah, that's basically what we did today. So where is Nick? Got another job that he feels
What are you doing here? RTVing this because I can't get the actual seal anywhere. The gasket. Yeah.
Today we are talking about a really crazy story. Yeah, this one's nuts. It's a one-parter on a guy named Randy Lanier, one of the most promising rookie drivers of the 1980s, and also one of the largest.
Party mode on. Let's see if it runs. I pray the Lord it's gonna run.
So what's the plan for the 240 now?
Valve cover's done. Needs to get a realignment. Need to make an intake port. Fuel injector stuff might be fixed. Needs an exhaust. So here's my new exhaust manifold. I was running a CX Racing one for 2 years and it finally cracked. This one's made by Rapid Spool Industries. It's got a 44mm wastegate V-band and a T3, T4 turbo flange on it. It's made with Schedule 10, so it's pretty strong. It's all polished to look pretty, so make sure you guys check them out at Rapid Spool Industries. Yeah. Also, if you guys want some sweet, cheap drift tires that last forever, check out Cosmo. They're one of my sponsors, so I'll leave a link in the description for their website. And also Carbyne. They make some amazing wheels. I run about, I think I have 16 of them. I've debeaded a bunch of tires and stuff like that, and they don't really bend or anything like that. They're really strong and fairly light, so check them out too.
So this is Nick. He's
Hi,
single.
guys.
Just kidding, he's not. He's mine. I don't know what to talk about, so
Got some
yeah, we got some.
twin turds.
We got this thing's gonna be triple boosted. There's one big turbo right there that goes up on the motor, because we're in American, we call them motors around here. Then we got these two electrical ones. Just kidding. These are gonna go. These are 38 gallon per minute. Dave's Craig's pumps. So we got one that's gonna feed the radiator. Then this one's gonna suck it out and put it shit back to the engine. The engine's gonna have a Stewart high flow water pump in it to help with all that stuff up there. Right now we're just kind of nut-zerting all these aluminum pieces to making sure it doesn't rattle and stuff while we're driving down the road. But I mean down pit lane and things like that. So that's what we're doing. And I got me a new turbo. You want to see? It's a 6466, so it's a little bit better than the 6262 I just had. So, yep.